DJM TV.
My correct and ambitious country people, una welcome to DJM Daily Tori Update for inside our ogbonge and correct TV station DJM TV. My name na Stanley Okocha. Na me wan still yarn una the ogbonge tori when e don still shele for this time. Our tori for this time dey come from inside Edo State, where the governor of the state, Governor Godwin Nogagase Obaseki, don yarn say Edo no get any land when dem go give Nama people, when dem go use to take care of their Nama. For inside one yarns, when the secretary of the state government, Barrister Osarojo Ogeyan, him yarn say the government don first let everybody know where dem stand for the matter and never change am since the government yarn say dem no get any land when dem go fit give any Nama person. The SSG come yarn join say their eyes don draw go one informate when e don dey waka kurukere around everywhere say the state governor Godwin Obaseki don agree to give some land to Nama people make dem use take dey train their Nama. E come say that kind tori most especially come be say na for some media, no be for DGM. Na dem for come dey see all those kind tori say the thing shocking to the bone marrow, and e come still be say na one kind very big lie na be say some kind of media go come dey push to come dey tell country people for wetin e be say dey no really shele. But for Barrister Oge mouth, their position for the matter when e concern Nama people and how they go take dey train their Nama, dem don make am clear before say free land e no dey for Edo State. E come yarn join say Nama when dem dey train be like every other economic matter when e be like fowl, pig and even every agric business, and Edo State government no get that land and hand when e be say dem go fit come carry land knack for Nama people make dem begin use take dey train their Nama. E come continue to dey warn make country people no dey turn security matter to politics matter, because security matter is different from politics. When it dey time to play politics, make dem play politics, but for the now, the way the country be, e good say security matter make everybody dey take am serious, no be wetin dem go take joke with politics. Oge come yarn join say some big people for politics na dey try to cause the kind wahala when e be say e dey shele for other states for inside Naija now. Yarn join say these big people so for politics want wahala for inside Edo State so that kilikili and gbege go come begin dey shele for inside the state. E come yarn join say na the big people for politics when e get bad belle for the government sake of say dem lose big for the state political area. That is why e come be say dem come dey try to cause wahala mago so that kilikili go come boku for inside Edo State. As e dey go on, e come still yarn say thank God say all the plans of all these big politicians no come work sake of say as dem dey plan the plan, na so the plan dey fall yakata on top of their body, and as e be say dem don fail, na so dem go continue dey fail dey go, because Governor Godwin Obaseki don carry a quick leg with other security people when e still join for security matter for the state. Dey pursue every matter when e concern bad people and everything when e concern bad things when e be say dem dey do. Barrister Oge come yarn all Edo people say make dem use this period when e be say na the period of Lent to take dey pray for peace, make e for continue for Edo State, particularly as e come be say now when e be say the country dey waka pass the hardest time when e come concern security matter. So e come give example of some areas for inside Naija when e be say security na big wahala for there. E come say Edo people dey know dem for peace, say make e be say that peace e go continue. E come say make Edo people still use the opportunity take pray against all those big politicians wey be say sake of say they don lose for election, they wan come dey use style take dey cause wahala and gbege for inside Edo State. Barrister Oge come still yarn join say make Edo people join too dey pray for Naija, because if e dey better for Naija, na so e go dey better for Edo people. E come still yarn say for the Nama people side, if dem know say dem ready to take dey train their cow, make dem ready to get where dem go fit dey take dey train their cow, no be the one be say dem go dey put hope say government go give dem land wey be say dem go come dey use to come dey train their Nama. For inside another tori, the Edo State government don dey cry sake of say the former head of service HOS and secretary to the state government SSG Dr. Simeon Omoaka Imwekeme don leg over go yonder side. For one tori when the secretary to the Edo State government Barrister Osaodion Ogie still sign, im yarn say the governor of Edo State, His Excellency Mr. Godwin Nwoyase Obaseki, don get with deep electric shock the kind leg over to yonder side of one-time head of service and secretary to the state government Dr. Simeon Omoaka Imwekeme KSM FNIM JP. The tori come still yarn say Dr. Imwekeme join the Bende State Public Service for 1988 sake of say im come be consultant pediatrician and im come hold many positions for hospital management board before e come get position as permanent secretary for 1999. Dr. Imwekeme come be head of the Edo State Civil Service from 2005 go reach 2011 when e come retire from the civil service, and come get appointment again to be secretary to the state government for 2011, and e come hold the position until November 2012. According to Barrister Ogie, Edo State don lost one gidigba administrator wey really try for many areas for the Edo State Public Service, even as e serve 4 Sojo government and 3 Agbada government. Mr. Ogie come add say the government give big sorry heart to Mr. Imwekeme wife, im children, the whole Imwekeme family, the public service and the ogbonge people of Edo State. Im come still yarn say may God give every people of Edo make the muzzle to swallow this kind loss when e be say e don knack Edo people for their body so. Im come still pray make God grant Dr. Simon Imwekeme the kind rest when e be say e suppose grant im children when e serve am well for this world. Country people, na here the tori wey we get for una for knack. We wan thank una for the time una don take dey watch us since. We wan still beg una make una not forget to like, comment and subscribe to all our social media platforms so that una go continue dey get all our ogbonge news story as we dey knack dem come out 24/7. Until next time when we come una way again, my name remain Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJ JTV.
some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ JTV. DJ JTV. DJ JTV. DJ JTV.